Okay, I want to take a video of this unboxing specifically because I want everyone to know this is a brand new game that we got to take out of the box. This is Galactic Tank Force, serial number 122. They only made 200 of these, and this is number 122. This is the signature series of the Galactic Tank Force. It has all the bells and whistles. It's literally signed by all the developers on the bonnet. And I'm gonna just unbox it so everyone can see it. And we're also gonna have this whole thing set up so when it gets delivered, it comes to you complete and ready to play. This one specifically, they added so much software to it. They keep adding software to it. In fact, they keep adding more features, it seems, that before it can ship out, I'm gonna have to completely update all the software to the latest version with all the new features. And that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this thing opened up and we'll go from there. So we've opened up the box. Still haven't pulled it out yet, and just wanted to show you. There's actually two more boxes that come with this game. There's also, because this was the signature series, it has all the additions. There's one that's got the tracks for the side of it, the tank and the tank tracks, and then another one has the actual turret gun. And I'm going to go ahead and keep unboxing it, but I just wanted everyone to see. Everything's brand new out of the box. Okay, we have the game unboxed. I still haven't set it up yet, but you can see it's all been taken out of the box and it's ready to start assembling. And I'm going to start with the legs, and then we'll start raising it up to get it all. So I've got the legs, the front legs on now, and I'll be flipping it down so we can raise it on a cart and get the back legs on next. As you can see, I've already installed the levers. One of the things I like to do is install them the way I was taught to do it 40 years ago by some of the old timers that got me into the business. I always put front leg levers all the way in and the nut from the inside. On the back legs, I always put the nut on the outside so that you got room to raise it and then lock it from bottom. You can also put another nut on the top down to really lock it in, but in a home, you're not going to be worrying about somebody trying to cheat the game, so that probably wouldn't have the game up on its legs now. It's ready to go. I've just got to finish assembling it, but it stood up. I can get the pinball card out of there now, and we'll start taking apart. There is a couple more boxes we'll be unboxing for this one. This one also has the tread box as well as the gun turret box. And we're going to the game is now put together, legs on, head up. Now we're going to put on the extras. There's a turret that goes on the back of this one. You'll see afterwards. This is the signature edition. It's got the hologram back glass. Basically, every person that worked on it personally signed the game on the bonnet. And it is edition number 122 of 200. It's written on the bonnet. We'll get into more details inside the game, but I just wanted to show everybody that it's up and put together. Now we're going to put the extra. These right here are the extra boxes that come with the signature edition. This one right here would be the turret and gun assembly for the tank. This one right here is the side treads for the tank. We'll be unpacking these and installing them.